Which row correctly shows that areas of the gas exchange system that contain cartilage, ciliated epithelium and goblet cells? Answer: Bronchus trachea. During which stage of meiosis do centromeres divide? Answer: metaphase. Which transfer RNA molecules is involved in the formation of this part of the sickle cell hemoglobin? Answer: CAU. Pepsin works best at a pH of? Answer: 2. Which of the following are animals with pointed ends and a tube-like digestive tract? Answer: nematode. The radius of the third Bohr orbit is? Answer: 4.761 If the difference between electronegativity values between two atoms is less than 0.9, the bond is necessarily? Answer: a non-polar bond. The ground state of an atom corresponds to a state of? Answer: lowest energy state of the electron. In root apoplast path of water transport, the water is transported through? Answer: cell wall and intercellular space. Which one of the following is the correct pairing of a body part and a type of muscle tissue which move it? Answer: iris involuntary smooth muscle. Which part of the cell does glycolysis occur in? Answer: cytoplasm. Which bones meet at the elbow joint and what kind of movement are they? Answer: humerus, your upper arm bone. Which one of the following organelles is required for aerobic respiration? Answer: mitochondria. Which of the following is an unsaturated fatty acid? Answer: linoleic acid. Thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Like a comment below with your thought or question. Check it out these other videos you might like, and we will see you next video.